Get into this. Get into this hair. Get into her. She's got streaks. She's got edges. Like, what else do you want from me? You're Monique.
Yeah, but my dramatic hair is down your back.
Your dramatic hair is down your back.
3, 2, 1.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Mo, back with another video. And today I have a fan favorite for you guys. I got a wig video. Y'all love to see it. I love to buy them and wear them. We have a match made. Look at us working together. But anyway, so I went ahead and put my wig cap on because I was looking kind of hit without it, and I'm trying to spare y'all. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and secure my wig cap. Ooh, I'm not off to a good start already. Okay, so just a quick update. I've been trying to put out, get some content out for you guys now that I'm back creating, I guess. I've been trying to get some content out for y'all. Just a little background on what's been going on. So I really am gonna start putting out some vlogs eventually. I've just been looking up vlog quality, watching vlogs, and kind of just doing some research. And I've ultimately decided that a couple things. Number one, I'm just not satisfied with the way I vlog. ADHD be really having your girl in a chokehold, like a real chokehold. Because I'm either unable to finish the vlog because I either get drunk or I forget or I lose my camera or something. All real things that happen. Or I'm just not satisfied with the quality of it. I either forget about it and don't finish it, or I just am not satisfied with the quality. I'm just all over the place. This is not a good wig cap. This is not a good wig cap. This is the wig we will be installing. It is another Synthy. I love finding the synthetics that are real girls because us girls love a real looking wig. Okay, that's less than $50. Period. So that being said, oh, y'all see my shirt? I am weak. Happy Pride. This wig is called Zelina. This is the Zelina wig by Sensational. It is the What Lace. And baby, this is my second time buying her. Let me just say right now, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's just beautiful. She looks real. I got it in flamboyage choco. So flamboyage chocolate. And I'm about to just throw it on for y'all real quick so you can see what it's hitting on. But it comes with the edges pre-plucked and laid. The lace is pretty dark. Well, actually, no, it's not. The lace is lacing. I'm just gonna say the lace is lacing. I know I did a voiceover last time, but this wig is just so freaking bad. I love her, and I have to treat her as such. But look at that. And it feels like a natural hair blowout. I remember this looking darker, but yeah. It feels like a natural hair blowout. It looks like a natural hair blowout. It's giving. That's how she looks fresh out of the box. Let's see if this lace is doing anything because I am almost positive it's not gonna work. Whatever happened to Hamilton? That wasn't shit. We got action. So my bald bitch. Hey. Now that I'm bald capped and ready to go, let's just go around real quick and see. So like I was saying, that's another thing. I don't have any notes right now, and I usually like to write notes about like what I'm gonna be talking about, or like at least plan ahead so I'm not all over the place. But one cannot always be perfect. Yeah. But anyway, so I just haven't been satisfied with the quality of my vlogs, and I was thinking of just starting to drop like video dumps, you know, like might be like stuff from my story, might be like videos that I just like randomly took, or like vlogs that I started and didn't finish. But either way, it's gonna be a vlog. And what do you guys think of that? Y'all drop that below in the comments and tell me what you think, because this is for you guys. I mean, ultimately this is for me, but I would like to make content that you guys actually want to see. But yeah, so just also something I wanted to like start doing in this time that I've been like not doing anything. Well, I'm never not doing anything, but that I haven't been dropping like videos regularly. I've been just creating and pouring back into myself, let's call it that. And with that being said, I've started doing this new thing because honestly it's embarrassing, but I realized that I'm like really not good at like giving myself my flowers. So especially videos like this where I really don't have much to talk about, or you know, nothing's really going on. I think I'm gonna start doing like things I'm proud of myself for. And yeah, so this will be the first time I do that. Get into this. Get into this hair. Get into her. She's got streaks. She's got edges. Like, what else do you want from me? Okay. So now that y'all seen how she's looking, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back. I haven't like, I'm gonna take this off and pluck the hairline a little bit, because as you can see, the hairline is very hairliney, but you know, like I said, it's got edges that like came pre-cut. So yeah, I'm gonna cut away, I'm gonna pluck it a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and install her. Okay, so of course I plucked a hole in it, and of course I always would, but I just took that as a stopping point. So okay. So I use Ebin. I'm using the red one right now. It's Extreme Firm Hold. And this will be how I'm securing the wig today. And I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna go through and whatever I need to tack down, I will. I usually put it on first and then cut it because I be fucking up. But today I'm gonna try something new. No, Monique, please don't do that. I decided against it. Ugh. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put my clips in. Alright, so now that that's a little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it down. I'm just putting it on so y'all can see for real. And because I have plans tonight, but that's what's happening. Look at how beautiful these curls fall. She's giving. And then the lace, this is still full lace on my head right now. Like, can't even see it. They did their thing with this HD what lace. Okay, as you can see, my fucking skills are not the best. Yeah, I don't have no hot products out right now. I don't have a hot comb, no flat iron, none of that. So we are really hoping for the best here. And then I'm gonna tie this bad boy down. And I'll be back with the secure product. Okay, and we're back. She's secure. A little too secure. Oh. But she's secure. So we're gonna get to cutting this Swiss lace. As you can see, she blends beautifully. But we're gonna go ahead and start laying down these edges. Okay, so now might be a fine time to bust out that hot comb, but I'm being really lazy, so just bear with me. I'm always like really apologetic to the hair girls, because I know y'all are watching this like cringe. What are you doing, bitch? My hair! I think. So again, I'm gonna come back with my elastic band. I'm gonna lay these edges. I wish I was both handed. Okay, so review. The edges are a little scant, a little skimpy. That's alright, I planned on making my own anyway. Now see, this is where wig companies be having me fucked up. These are the edges that they have laid already. What I'm gonna do with this? What I'm gonna do with that? Child. Ridiculous. This might be better off without him. This getting plugged, because what I'm gonna do with that? And I'm just going and brush over the hole I made there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. And then set it off. And she's giving. Starboy, that's give me to the game, no one replace me.
chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy got me number one. Buy me drink, drop the girls that bounce along. Me know that nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and me place me on that take. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's that on that. Don't pay attention to that. Don't look at that. I don't got the edge down pat like y'all. But on another note, if you made it this far through the video, once again and as usual, thanks so much for watching. I love y'all. I appreciate the support still. Y'all support for me too. I fuck with y'all. I really fuck with y'all. But anyway, drop me some green hearts down below in the comments. Y'all know how I love those. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can get more videos like this or like whatever the fuck I be putting out. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Love y'all. Peace.